Alright, what's going on, guys? Your boy Flex Daddy down right here, back with another video. Today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Logitech Pro X gaming headset. Let's get into it. This is the box right here. This is the box that comes in. Play to win. Just has Logitech Pro thing on the back right here. Yeah, this is how the box looks, and I'm going to get inside this. Getting straight to it. Forgot how to open a box. There it is. Gonna open this bad boy up right here. Got a whole lot of fucking shit to fold open. Alright. On the side, it actually tells you what you're getting. So you get the headset, cable, audio thing. It just shows you what you get in the box. We're gonna get into the headset. This is what you guys came for. I don't even know how to open this. Oh my. This is a weird packaging for a headset. Guess we're gonna put it out like this. Yeah, this packaging is weird. It's like a long thing. Pause. Just gotta push you back. Push you over here. Yeah, this packaging is quite weird. And this is it. This is the Logitech Pro X gaming headset. This is it right here. Extend it out because you know we got big brains. And yeah, got a little glossy finish right here. Steel headband. And the air cuffs, you could actually remove them right here. So if you want to put these on, just remove this and put it on. I like the way these feel, so I'm going to leave it on. For the rotation, we don't really have much rotation. That's the only downside to this. All we go is in and out. Can't go left to right. No rotation on that. And yeah, this is everything that comes in the box. The headset itself, the carrying pouch, the left and the right air cup. These air cups are like a cushiony feel. Like it's like an airplane pillow, I guess, if I had to compare. And this is your volume wheel. Yeah, this is the volume wheel for your PC. This is it right here. Got a little Logitech logo. You got a little clip. You could also clip this on your shirt, it looks like. And this is the mic itself. As you can see, it's a bendable mic. I'm going to show you guys how to put it in. It's going to be on your left ear cup. It's going to be this little wire hole right here. Just want to put this in like this. And then there you go. You guys could bend the mic wherever you want. So it's a nice little mic right here. And yeah, put that back in. And for the next wire we got here is another cable. It's for your console. If you're playing on Xbox or Game Station, this is what you plug into your controller and the headset. And I think we have one more. No, that's everything. Yeah, this is basically it right here. You got a headset, mic, carrying pouch, extra ear cuffs, Blue Studio adapter, chat link cables. There's also a chat splitter. Here it is. So you want to split your audio. If you're on PC, this is where you split your audio with, and that's basically it. We didn't get any stickers. This is the first review I did. I didn't get a sticker. Kind of mad though. I'm gonna show you guys what the software looks like. I'll show you what the voice looks like. I'm gonna get into that real fast. And yeah. Alright, so once you guys download the software, you're gonna see this screen right here. I'm gonna leave a link to the software in the description so you guys can download it. And let's get into it. The first thing you guys are gonna see is a mic level input gain. You can mess around how loud you want yourself to sound. I'm gonna leave it at 100. It sounds good at 100. Make sure to enable the blue voice. So just click this. And the nice thing about the software is you guys could mic test. So you could record yourself talking, and you could play the presets over it to see how it sounds in your voice. So I'm just gonna do a little sample right now. Click the record button. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And then you guys can just play it back, see how it sounds. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a like. Mess around with the presets. They have a bunch of different presets. Subscribe. Try to TSM it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. AM radio. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It's actively changing. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So that's pretty nice. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. That's way too loud. Don't forget. A nice little thing they have right here is if you have a high voice, you could play around with one of these high voices. And if you have a low voice like myself, got a little Batman going, you're going to click on the low voice. So you're going to click on this, see how it sounds. To leave a like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Doesn't sound too bad. And presets. You guys could download different presets. This is one of the most popular presets I've downloaded. I'm going to play it right here. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It's pretty balanced, not too low, not too high. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It's pretty clear, so I'm gonna show you guys how to download different presets right now. You want to click on browse more presets right here, and over here you're gonna see the different presets that other users made. So you can just test these out if you want. But if you're just starting out, you want to go to most popular, and you want to download the BG one. That's the one I just played for you guys a second ago. You can mess around and do whatever you want. They have different tags. So if you're looking for a Fortnite type mic, you want to go over here. There's only 2 of them right now. If you play Minecraft or PUBG, they have like different things. And yeah, just like mess around and find what's best for you. If you're looking for clear audio, you want to mess around with one of these right here. Yeah, so that's basically it. If you're gonna start out, you wanna go to most popular, download the BG one by Ibis. I'm gonna click download right here. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not gonna download it again. And once you guys download them, they're gonna show on the bottom right here. So I'm just gonna play it again. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I got another one right here. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It's for streaming and speaking. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It's a bit lower, but just pick what you want. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It's all up to you. And over here, you can make your own little preset. So I could just go like down here, up here, mess around with that, you know. And once I do that, I could click save. And I could make my own preset. And then I could upload it. You want to click this once you saved it, click here. Make it a description of what it is, blah, blah, blah. Add a tag, Fortnite. I can just type in whatever and then you publish it. That's if you want to make your own sound, little presets that people could use. And that's basically been it. Oh, they also have surround sound. I forgot about this. Click enable surround sound. And you could adjust the volume for this is the left side. These 3 are the left side. These are the right. And this is the center. This is the top left, middle left, bottom left. And yeah, and this is the center. You could adjust how you want it to sound. How low, how high. And this is for the bass, the overall bass. You could adjust that. And you guys, they also have you're also able to test the surround sound. So you can just click this.
This is the left channel. Next, we have the center channel. Over here is the right channel. This is the right surround channel. Now, the right rear surround channel. Next, the left rear surround channel. This is the left surround channel. The next sound you'll hear is the LFE channel.
Now, they're coming in. Get down.
And this is just a basic little it goes on for much longer, just cut it off short. It's gonna show you how the surround sound sounds, and you could mess around and change it if you want. I also have different room names. So if you want to have a mic for your entertainment room, you do this, mess around with that, and go back to your game, and it's gonna save the different presets. Alright, for the surround sound, the one thing you guys gotta try is the 8D audio. So just type in your favorite song and put 8D audio at the end. I'm a slow typer, but it's gonna sound crazy. Like this, listen to your favorite song with 8D audio. Check this out. Plug in your headphones or your earbuds, whatever you're rocking. Plug it in and listen to this. You guys gotta check this shit out, bro. Imagine that but on these headsets. It's just crazy. Go check out the 8D audio. Type in whatever song you're listening to right now. If you still listen to that Lil Nas X Old Town Road, like it's crazy. They have like for most popular songs. Just check out 8D audio with your headset with the surround sound enabled. It's gonna sound crazy.
Grammarly does more than catch errors. With Grammarly, you can
Like the 8D audio make you sound like you're in a concert, like a real event, like you're actually there while they're performing. It's crazy. Check out Old Town Road. Fucking crazy, man. Oh my, that's amazing. All right, it's gonna be the end of the video. You guys already know what to do.